Hey guys, today I'm going to be reviewing the Becca concealer. Finally, oh my god, it's been like a decade since this came out. Not really, but it's been a long time and it's taken me forever to get this and decide if I wanted to even review it, but here we are. So I've decided. So if you want to see what I think of this, then keep on watching. It is $29 and it has 16 shades. It says it is a water-resistant full coverage concealer that camouflages under-eye dark circles, blemishes, and discoloration while smoothing the look of skin's texture. So I'm just gonna be putting on foundation, just, you know, showing you that I have nothing on my face right now, and then I'm gonna put on the Becca concealer and see how it works. First, I'm gonna put on this NYX Do Me Up primer. I've been using this a lot lately. I'm gonna use the, what is this? Fenty Beauty foundation. This is shade 170. Put that all over the place. I ordered this online, so I'm hoping that it's the right color. Let's hope, but this is in banana. Maybe too yellow for me? Let's hope not. But I actually have heard nothing about this concealer. I don't know if it's good. I don't know if it's bad. Like, I know nothing about it. So I don't know what I'm getting myself into right now. And I know it's like, how can you not have heard something about this concealer? But I just haven't. Not in videos, nothing. Oh, mamacita, that is yellow. Let's just put a little bit at first. Oh, this is so yellow. Did I just completely fuck myself over?
Oh my god.
Yo, this is full coverage. Full coverage. And it dries pretty quick. But why am I... I'm just gonna be a banana today. I'm gonna put on this Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. I'm also going to bronze my face up a little bit with this butter bronzer by Physicians Formula. This is actually super pretty and very full coverage. When I put it on, it was really sticky, but I don't know if it's because this is still drying down a bit and it's a little tacky, but I think it just dries down. It's super smooth. I am gonna put on some highlighter, some lip gloss, and lipstick. I'm gonna put on the Becca Cosmetics highlighter in Prosecco Pop. And I'm going to put on this Jeffree Star Cosmetics liquid lipstick in Christmas Cookie. And I'm also going to put on this Morphe lip gloss in Flower Crown over top of that. And back, I put some shit on. And I really like this concealer. I don't know if it looks weird on camera, but in person, I really like how it looks. It's full coverage. It's a really pretty concealer. I recommend you go to a store like Ulta. I think Ulta might have it, or Sephora, and actually try to find your color, because getting it online is very tricky and you don't want to waste your money. It's smooth. It's nice. It's not heavy. It's beautiful. That is it for this video. I know it was super short, but I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.